In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter on Smartsheet, giving you a clear and concise way to view only the information you need. This will help streamline your workflow and ensure that you're focusing on the data that truly matters to you. Let's start by getting oriented with your Smartsheet. First, navigate to the specific sheet where you'd like to apply your filter. This is your workspace, and it's important to have the right information in front of you before you proceed. Once you're in your sheet, look at the toolbar at the top. You'll see several options that allow you to manipulate and organize your data. Here, you'll find the Filter option. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select New Filter. This step is crucial as it opens up the filter editor, where you can begin to customize your filtering options. Now, it's time to define your filter criteria. Think of this as setting the rules for what data you want to see. In the filter editor, there's a field for you to provide a name for your filter. It's beneficial to give it a descriptive name, something that makes it easy to identify the filter later on, especially if you plan to create multiple filters. Next, you'll move down to an area labeled Show Rows that match any of these conditions. This is where you specify exactly what data you want to filter by. You might choose specific dates if you're looking for tasks due in a certain time frame, or perhaps filter by assigned users to focus on tasks given to a particular team member. You could also filter by status to assess which tasks are completed, in progress, or pending. If your criteria are more complex, Smartsheet allows you to add multiple conditions. As you do this, you'll need to decide how these conditions should interact. You can use either AND or OR logic. The AND logic means that a row must meet all specified conditions to be displayed, while the OR logic means that the row can meet any one of the conditions. This flexibility lets you create targeted, precise filters tailored to your project's needs. Once you've got everything set up to your satisfaction, it's time to save your settings. Simply click the OK button. Your filter is now saved, and importantly, it's applied instantly. You'll notice right away that only the rows meeting your specified criteria will be visible on your Smartsheet. This custom view makes it much easier to concentrate on pertinent data without distraction from the rest of the sheet. By setting up filters in Smartsheet, you'll enhance your ability to manage projects effectively. The key is experimenting with different criteria to find the view that works best for you. Practice will make this process second nature, empowering you to work more efficiently and with greater focus. Enjoy your newfound ability to streamline data in Smartsheet.